How do you create a YouTube short using ChatGPT and a software called Pictory? Well, we're going to go through that real quickly here. It's really not that hard. And what it does is it's going to simplify the time that you're putting this video together. Now, in order to create short videos, they have to be short. They have to be straight and to the point. So when you're asking a question to ChatGPT, you may get an elongated answer. You can still condense it. All you have to do is ask it to condense it. So, for instance, we ask it, what are 5 foods that can help you lose weight? And then what we're going to do is go ahead and click this here, this send message, and you're going to get a detailed message here, right? You're going to give you five different things that can help you lose weight. This is a health channel I'm working with, just to give you an overall idea of why I've asked this question. Now, this may be too long, so what I might do is I might condense it. I may say something like, can you rewrite this in 180 words? And sure enough, it will definitely do that. So this may give me enough optimal, time to put together a short video with the amount of words that I'm using now. Once you've already, finished what you've got, you're going to take that, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it in Pictory, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me grab the one that I just did previously. So what you're going to do is you're going to be prompted to this page here, and we're going to go from script to video. We'll click proceed. I'm going to go ahead and give it a title. We're just going to say weight loss foods. We're going to paste here. And what we're going to do is separate a lot of these sentences so that when it starts to come up with imagery, we can go ahead and have a multitude of different types. So, and besides it being a short, you don't want a bunch of just text and an image. You want a little bit of text and you still want image there. So you've got to separate it. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Now, once we've already put this in there, you can see I've actually separated each one of these here, and purposely, because when I separate these are going to be different images according to the text. So the next step that we're going to do here is we're going to click to proceed. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let me just back this up here. We'll click proceed. Now this is where we can choose a template. So we're dealing in the food department, so we don't want it to look too business-like. We just want to make it fun. We're going to use this one here, the wellness one. And as soon as I click on it, it's going to give me the option now. How do I want to use the aspect ratio here? Well, I'm going to do 9:16, and that's going to be your short, YouTube short. Now it's going to go through and it's going to go ahead and grab a bunch of images and start putting that video storyboard together. So this is important to note because now we're going to have images based on the text that you're going to be seeing. However, we're not done yet, because what I've done is I've added an audio, because I don't want this just to be visual. I've added an audio that will go with this as well. So you can see here we've got 43 scenes that it's actually put together. That's a lot of scenes for a short, when a short is usually about up to a minute long. Alright, so now we still have the option of changing some of these images, but let me just show you real quickly here. If I head to audio, it's going to automatically by default give you a background music, but I don't want the background music, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down. And I'm going to go to my uploads, and I've already taken care of a voiceover, so we're going to grab that real quick here. And there it is. We're going to open that up. And then it's real important to make sure it's not just on current scene, but entire video. Now keep in mind, I do have the paid version of Pictory, so if you're using the free version, you may not be able to put it on the entire video. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and click that there. Now it's going to start doing like an audio sync. Okay, so now it's going to start putting things together even more. And just to be patient about it as it's doing this, but in all honesty, this is such a short amount of time compared to what you would usually regularly do when you're putting videos together with stock footage, because it takes time to find that stock footage. So now you can go ahead and you can watch it from beginning to end. You've got the watermark on there, but don't worry about that because that will go away as soon as you download it. Now, if you want to go back, I'm going to close this out. If you want to go back and you want to change any of the imagery, let's go back to visuals, and you can change it right through here. So let's say, for instance, this very first image here I wanted to change. So what I could do is go to search images and video. But first of all, what does it say here? To support weight loss. So maybe I want to put something different there. Maybe I'll just put, let's see, losing weight. Let's see what happens. It gives me some prompts there. I'm just going to press enter. And again, these are going to be, this is going to be stock footage. Okay. I want to use this one instead. So all I'm going to do is just click on it. Like literally just click on it and it will be changed. And there it is there. Again, considering this is a video short, so you're not going to see the full image, and that's okay. But once you're done, then I'll show you what you're going to do from here. And that is to go to the download part here. Click video. And now it's preparing for the download. So you're actually almost there. It's important to note, and you probably know this already, when you're doing shorts, it is one of the best ways to really create some traction on your channel. However, maybe you don't want to do just shorts, so you maybe want to use shorts to get to some of the longer content. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're doing shorts. But I highly suggest doing shorts to create some traction, so at least you get some people to your channel in the beginning. Get them aware of what your channel is about. Maybe what you could do is you could have short form content that leads to longer form. So if I'm talking about weight loss, what if I ended that short video with, and with something that that a lot of people don't know about, with a certain fruit or a certain vegetable, and then I sort of give them a teaser in the video to set up for the long form content. So you get what I'm saying there. All right, so now we're generating the scenes. You can see scenes have been created. Now we're generating scenes. And once that happens, we're pretty much done with the video, unless you want to go ahead and add background music or do any more editing. But pretty much this is right at the end of it here. All right, now it says your video is now ready. Then we can go ahead and just click download. And it's as easy as that. Now it's been downloaded. You can see there, weight loss foods, MP4. It's actually ready now for you to upload it to YouTube. Now, once you're done, you're ready to upload it to YouTube. And again, it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, I'm here. I really enjoy using Pictory, and I enjoy using it in such a way that it makes everything just more simplified. And why shouldn't it be simpler for you to use? There's a lot of things that you can do online that you can spend a longer time doing and still get similar results. But if you're really pumping up videos on YouTube, this is really the best way to do it with ChatGPT and using Pictory and using them both together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.